Hey everybody, it's Donna, the Blissful Planner. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, stick around a while. Consider subscribing. If you like this video, please consider giving me a like. And if you're not new and you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. It really does mean the world to me. All right, today we are doing a monthly spread in my social media planner for the month of February. I've taken the liberty of, as you know, this planner's got lots of its own decor, which I do not like, but that's okay. I whited out the February and put this down in gold. I'm probably going to trace over this in gold or put down a 2021 in gold. I forgot to do that, but I put down my own Valentine's sticker and my own President's Day sticker, and I covered up this whole sidebar with a sticker from this book. It's a recollections book. It's an older book. And I also used Happy Memory Planning, Dates and Holidays. A couple stickers out of there. I used a couple stickers out of my Agenda 52 book. The month came from here. Live, Love, Posh will also be represented in this video. All right, let's get started. I have, there's a cheer competition here for my grandbaby, so that will get filled in. But otherwise, all I have is my best friend, one of my best friend, Becky's birthday on the 23rd, and Valentine's Day. So, with that being said, let's get started. So, I'm keeping it simple. Yeah, that's real simple, isn't it? But I like, as you all know, I like to pre-pull, and this is a struggle for me. Like, I really wanted to do something different, but I just didn't know how different. So, and this really wasn't what I was going for, but this is how it ended up. So, you know how that goes, folks. So, I was going to put this box down, but that one won't get used. So, I want to put down, I think my paydays are here and here, pretty sure. And then I have a I'll make up my mind where I'm going to put this in a minute. Because this is going to be a bit of a struggle probably, I hope. Or hope not. Getting these on here the way I want them on here. So, I'm going to cover this whole little thing up right here. And I'm going to try to figure out which way is going to be the best way. And I think that's it. Okay. And then I have one of these runner stickers, I like to call them. I love these. It says, remember that true happiness blooms from the heart. And I'm just going to run that right down through there. And then the massive, and I am notorious for tearing these stickers. You gotta really be careful with these Live, Love, Posh stickers. They tear so easy. You know, they're delicate. I mean, I'm not saying, you know, anything bad. I'm just saying they're delicate. And they can be quite difficult to get off the paper. So I'm running this down here. See where I ripped that. I'm going to try to overlap that to see if I could get that to come up and you can overlap it the way it ripped. You can keep that from showing a whole lot. Now, let's get this one. Now this one's gonna go right. And then the last set. Yes. Love it when it all comes off in one piece. Okay, we got it all down. I love it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take my cutting block, come up there, and we're going to run it right down. There we go. Get started. The center of that page is, well, it's not perfect, but you know, most things in life aren't. All right, let's move this out of the way, and then we're going to take our scissors. Make sure all your flowers are laying down really good. And we're going to do some little, there's just a barely little bit right here, as you can see. And then this little spot right here, we're going to take that out of there, pull that out. I know it's upside down. So then we're going to cut the top up here. We have some overhang and overhang there. We'll flip this way. There. There's that one. And I'm not going to try to salvage these because it's just, I really, really like that. Okay, let's do this little corner. And we will be done. Okay. All right. Let's see what we think here. Like I said, I want to put I don't like that green there. I completely forgot about it. Let me see if there's I didn't really want to use like the black. It was so bold. And I don't think I have, not in that one. Let's see if I have a 20, I have a 2020, I have a 21. Yeah, I could do it in this. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what I do. And yes, I know I have liquid white out, which is, but I bought it. I might as well use it. You know, it serves the purpose. I prefer the dry because, you know, you have your wait time on all this. And what I try to do is blow on it a little bit as I'm doing it. And then that way it dries pretty good. I mean, and if you don't get too heavy-handed with it, you really can't even hardly see it. It's actually blends better, I think, as far as on the paper than the dry line does. I mean, I think the dry line shows up like a sore thumb. And if you blend this out real good, you can't hardly even see it on the paper. So, you know, you do the math. So let's try to get that dry. And then I'll get out my tweezers and I'll get me a pink. And this is out of the, let's see, memory keeping planner. And we're going to put down 20. God knows we're all glad to be out of 2020. I mean, I know it wasn't 2020's fault, but boy, it got the blame. And we're going to do a 21 on here. Just like so. Trying to keep it as straight as possible. I was getting ready to say, please don't tell me I don't have a pink one. But I do. And that's good enough. All right. I don't want to push those down too much right now because that probably still a little damp. So we've got February 2021 monthly. What do you guys think? Share in your comments below. If there's anything out there different that you want to see me plan and you're not brave enough to do it yet, just let me know. I'd be happy to do it for you. This is my monthly social media planner for February 2021. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider giving me a like and stick around a while. Hit that subscribe button and check me out on social media at Donna Smith Wilson across all of my social media platforms. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.